My dear friend, as you are well aware that we are describing the persecution of the Jews by the Islamist goons or Islamic gundas or Islamic robbers or Islamic killers or the rapist as the Muhammad Waj. His companion were the robber, rapist and the killer. So today we will discuss about the persecution of the Jews in South Africa. During the 1930, many party leaders and much section of African people came under the influence of Nazism. Nazi means Hitler. Nazism. 1933 to 1945, the National Party of EDF, Malan closely associated itself with the policies of the Nazis. Jewish migration from Eastern Europe was central under the Alien sect. Though all those Jews were accepted by the South African people, another political party, South African Gentile National Socialist Movement, headed by Johannes von Strauss von Moltke, whose objective was only destroy the influence of the Jews in economics, culture, religion, ethics, statecraft, and re-establishment of the European Aryan, central in South Africa for the welfare of the Christian people. During 1960, Oswald Mosley, the British fascist leader, came so many times in South Africa, was welcomed by the Prime Minister and the Communist Minister. Upon world assassination in 1960, B.J. Forrester was elected by the National Party to replace him. While Forrester was elected by the National Party to replace him, while Forrester was the supporter of Hitler during World War II, his policy towards Jews in his own country, however, this policy was ambivalent. World War II policy of Hitler during his dictatorship in the Second World War, Nazi believed German must control the whole earth. Hitler's ultimate goal was to establish the kingdom of Aryans in the world. This is the main reason of the World War II, so Hitler was lunatic. In 1980 saw the rise of far-right neo-Nazi groups such as Afrikaner Weerstand under Eugene Terry Blanche. The AWB is a document and the provide details about the shipment and around to track it. Modeled itself after Hitler's National Socialist Party, replete with fascist regela emblem resembling the swastika, a generally a religious sign